What if I told you there's digital money that acts like cash, moves fast like crypto, and stays steady like your savings account? Stablecoins. They're catching on quickly and could soon take over cash and credit cards for everyday transactions. I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll share everything you need to know about stablecoins. Here's the problem. Regular crypto like Bitcoin and Ethereum go up and down like crazy. Mike bought Bitcoin at $60,000 in 2021. 2 months later, it crashed to $30,000. He needed that money for his wedding, but had to sell at a huge loss. Ouch. Crypto is unpredictable. One day you wake up and your $5,000 becomes $3,000 overnight. No warning, no reason, just chaos. Then it jumps back up again and you feel like a genius. That emotional roller coaster makes any planning or budgeting impossible. Think about it. Would you use a checking account that changes your balance by 20% every week? One day you can pay rent, the next day you can't. That's why crypto isn't great for everyday stuff like rent, groceries, or bills. But people still want the good parts of crypto: speed, control, and low fees without the panic attacks. That's where stablecoins come in. Stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency. They're digital dollars that don't jump around in price and are designed to always be worth $1. No wild swings, no guessing games, and no losing sleep at night. But not all stablecoins are the same, and some are way riskier than others. Let's break it down. There are 4 kinds of stablecoins. Some are strong and solid, others not so much. Fiat-backed. These are backed by real dollars in a bank. For example, USDC or Tether or USDT. You give $1 and you get one digital dollar. Later you trade it back. Simple. Commodity-backed. These are backed by things like gold. For example, Pax Gold. Each token gets its value from real gold in a vault somewhere. Crypto-backed. These are backed by other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. For example, DAI. It's like using a bouncy ball to hold something steady. Tricky, but it can work with enough buffer. Algorithmic. These use computer code or trading in other cryptocurrencies to maintain their $1 value instead of something real backing them. For example, Terra USD before it crashed. It tried to stay at $1 using math and lost $40 billion in 2022 when it failed. So which one should you use? Fiat-backed. They're the safest and closest to actual dollars. You might be wondering, who's actually using stablecoins right now? Turns out, millions of people. In countries like Argentina, where inflation is crazy, people convert their paycheck into stablecoins to protect their money. Freelancers in Mexico get paid in USDC to avoid slow and expensive bank wires. Companies use stablecoins to send money across the world in seconds, with no bank needed. Even apps like Stripe support stablecoin payments in over 100 countries. And get this, you can send USDC 24/7, even on weekends or holidays. It costs just a few cents and takes only seconds. Compare that to banks charging $30 for a wire transfer that takes 3 days. Stablecoins are fast, easy, and global. But there's one more thing you need to know. Fiat-backed stablecoins sound perfect, right? Well, not quite. Even they have risks. Stablecoins are not FDIC insured like your bank account, so if the company behind the stablecoin fails or gets banned by the government, you could lose your money. In 2022, Terra USD dropped from $1 to just 10 cents. That's billions of dollars lost. And some companies like Tether got in trouble for not proving they had enough dollars in the bank. That's why the Genius Act, a law passed in July 2025, is a big deal. It ensures that stablecoins have full dollar backing and undergo regular audits, and provides consumer protections. This means stablecoins are becoming more trustworthy and legitimate. Here's a simple plan if you want to dip your toes in stablecoins. Start small with $50 or $100, not your rent money. Use trusted coins like USDC, not random new ones. Use known platforms like Coinbase or Kraken, and keep most of your emergency savings in your bank, not crypto. At this stage, treat stablecoins like a new cuisine. Try a bite, don't order the whole buffet. Stablecoins might just be the future of money. Fast, stable, and easy to use. No wonder big companies like Walmart, Amazon, and Citigroup are scrambling to issue their own stablecoins, all thanks to the Genius Act. To find out what it means for your money, watch this video.